Someone that knows a lot of Torah and learns a lot of Torah, but his hashkafa is incorrect, it's similar to someone that gets very kosher meat, but cook it in a pot and in the oven that is taref, and just cook pork there. What does it help you that your meat was very high level glad kosher if in the end you cook it in a non-kosher pot? The entire meat became not kosher, treif. So if a Jew has a mind that is corrupted with his ideology, he can tell you Gemarot, he can tell you Rashi, Parashat Shavua, he can even tell you Halacha. It looks like he is very knowledgeable. But when it comes to bottom line, what is the right thing to do and what is the wrong thing to do, it will always be the opposite of the ideology of Hashem.